Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. In this video, we have another very interesting and challenging algebraic equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing here our denominators cannot be 0. So cannot be 0, cannot be minus 2, cannot be minus 4, cannot be minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12 and minus 14. We have numerator over denominator form in left hand side. If we will find difference between numerator and denominator, x plus 1 minus x, 1, x plus 3 minus of x plus 2, 1, x plus 5 minus of x plus 5, 1. So what we are going to do here, we will subtract here 1 and here we have to add plus 1 for negative terms. Again we have two positive terms, so we will subtract 1. We have added 4 and subtracted 4. So LHS won't change. I will write here x plus 1 over x minus 1. Take LCM, we will get 1 over x. X plus 3 over x plus 2 minus 1. We will get 1 over x plus 2. 1 minus x plus 5 over x plus 4. Minus of 1 over x plus 4. Minus of 1 over x plus 6, minus of 1 over x plus 8, minus of 1 over x plus 10, plus of 1 over x plus 12, plus 1 over x plus 14 equal to 0. We have 8 denominators starting from x to x plus 14. If we will find average of all the denominators, we will get x plus 7, which we will assume our substitution, suppose a. So I can write x a minus 7. So 1 over a minus 7 plus 1 over a minus 5 minus 1 over a minus 3 minus 1 over a minus 1 minus 1 over a plus 1 minus 1 over a plus 3 plus 1 over a plus 5 plus 1 over a plus 7 equal to 0. Now we will club first and last term all together, second and second last term all together, third and third last term all together, and fourth last term all together. We will get 1 over a minus 7 plus 1 over a plus 7 plus 1 over a minus 5 plus 1 over a plus 5. Then we'll take minus sign common. In the bracket, we'll write 1 over a minus 3 plus 1 over a plus 3. For last bracket, I will take minus common out. 1 over a minus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. We'll take LCM once again. So a plus 7 plus a minus 7, 2a. In denominator, a minus 7 times a plus 7, a square minus 7 square, plus a plus 5 plus a minus 5, 2a, over a square minus 5 square, minus 2a, over a square minus 3 square, minus 2a over a square minus 1 square, equal to 0. Now 2a is common. We'll take 2a common out. So 2a would be here. In bracket, we'll write 1 over a square minus 49 plus 1 over a square minus 25 minus 1 over a square minus 9 minus 1 over a square minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we will write either a equal to 0 or this bracket equal to 0. So from a equal to 0, in place of a we can write x plus 7 equal to 0. By subtracting 7 both sides, we will get our first real solution, x equal to negative 7. Now we have to solve this bracket equation. So let us assume a square equal to u suppose. So I can write 1 over u minus 49 plus 1 over u minus 25, club first and last term altogether. So I will write 1 over u minus 49 minus 1 over u minus 1. Then we'll write plus 1 over u minus 25 minus 1 over u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have to take LCM over here. So we will get u minus 1 minus u plus 49 in the numerator. And in denominator we'll write u minus 1 times u minus 49. Here we'll be writing u minus 9 minus u plus 25 over u minus 9 times u minus 25 equal to 0. We'll cancel plus and minus u from the numerators. 49 minus 1, 48 over u minus 1 times u minus 49 plus 25 minus 9, 16 over u minus 9 times u minus 25 equal to 0. Now equation is divisible by 16. So we will divide both sides by 16 and get 3 over u minus 1 times u minus 49 plus 1 over u minus 9 times u minus 25 equal to 0. Now we have to take LCM. So we can write here 3 times u minus 9 times u minus 25 plus 1 times u minus 1 times u minus 49 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify left hand side. So I will write here 3 times in the bracket. We will get u square minus 34u plus 225 plus u square minus 50u plus 49 equal to 0. So we will write here 3u square minus 102u plus 675 plus u square minus 50u plus 49 equal to 0. 3u square plus u square 4u square minus 102 minus 50 minus 152 u 675 plus 49 will get 724. Now we can take 4 common. So in the bracket we will get u square minus 38u plus 181 equal to 0. So we have one quadratic equation, u square minus 38u plus 181 equal to 0. I will be using completing the square method. So I need to take 181 to the RHS. So I will subtract 181. Both sides will cancel, plus 181 with minus 181 and get u square minus 38u equal to minus 181. Now coefficient of u is minus 38. Half of minus 38 minus 19. Square of minus 19, 361, which we will add both sides of the equation. So I will write here u square minus 38u plus 361 will be equal to 361 minus 181. Now from left hand side, we are going to get one perfect square of u minus 19. And from right hand side, it is 180, which we can write 36 times 5. And 36 is 6 square times 5. In LHS, we'll write u minus 19 whole square. Now, our target is to find u. So I will take a square root both sides to cancel square from LHS. So I will write here square root with plus minus sign. Now square root and square will get cancelled out. From LHS, we will write u minus 19 equal to plus minus square root 6 square will be 6 square root of 5. So plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we have to add 19 both sides to get the value of u. We will get u equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now u was a square. So we will write a square equal to 19 plus minus 6 root 5. A square equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Again we have a square in LHS. So we will take square root both sides. This side also. We need to write here plus minus sign. We will cancel a square with a square root. And we will get the value of a from here. A equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now a was x plus 7. So we will write here x plus 7 equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 root 5. To find the value of x, we do not want plus 7. So we will subtract 7 from both sides. We will get x equal to minus 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. So we have 4 solutions from here. If I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. And our first real solution, I am writing here x5, it is minus 7. So overall we have 5 real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.